The universe is vast. It's filled with billions upon billions of stars, each one a potential host to its own unique system of planets. And many of those stars have their own planets, known as exoplanets, which orbit them in a dance of cosmic proportions. In 2016, astronomers made an exciting discovery that would capture the imagination of scientists and the public alike. They found a star system called TRAPPIST-1, a discovery that would open new doors in our quest to understand the universe. This system is relatively close to us, just 40 light-years away, a mere hop in the grand scale of the cosmos. That might seem far, but on a cosmic scale, it's like our next-door neighbor. Imagine being able to peer into the backyard of a neighboring star. TRAPPIST-1 is located in the constellation Aquarius, a region of the sky that has fascinated stargazers for centuries. This constellation is visible from both the northern and southern hemispheres, making it accessible to skywatchers all over the world. So no matter where you live on Earth, you can look up and know that TRAPPIST-1 is out there, a beacon of curiosity and potential. It's a humbling thought, and it fills us with wonder about what secrets this nearby star system might hold. Could there be life? Could there be planets like our own? The discovery of TRAPPIST-1 was a major event in astronomy, marking a significant milestone in our exploration of the universe. It instantly became a prime target in our search for life beyond Earth, with scientists eager to learn more about its planets. Why? Because TRAPPIST-1 isn't just any star system. It stands out due to its unique properties and the potential it holds for groundbreaking discoveries. It has a unique set of characteristics that make it particularly intriguing for scientists studying the possibility of extraterrestrial life. With 7 Earth-sized planets, 3 of which lie in the habitable zone, TRAPPIST-1 offers a tantalizing glimpse into what might be possible beyond our own solar system. TRAPPIST-1 is a red dwarf star. That means it's much smaller and cooler than our own Sun. While our Sun is a blazing giant, TRAPPIST-1 is more like a cozy ember in the vastness of space. In fact, TRAPPIST-1 is barely larger than Jupiter. Imagine a star so small that it could almost be mistaken for a gas giant planet. Don't let its small size fool you, though. Despite its diminutive stature, TRAPPIST-1 has a significant impact on its surroundings. This star is still a powerhouse, albeit a more subdued one compared to our Sun. It may not shine as brightly, but it has its own unique strengths. It emits mostly infrared radiation, which we feel as heat. This type of radiation is invisible to the naked eye, but can be detected with special instruments. Red dwarf stars like TRAPPIST-1 are incredibly common in the Milky Way galaxy. They are the silent majority, often overlooked but vastly outnumbering larger stars. They make up the vast majority of stars in our cosmic neighborhood. If you were to look up at the night sky, most of the stars you see are likely red dwarfs. These stars are much cooler and live much longer than stars like our Sun. Their longevity means they can exist for billions, even trillions of years. This longevity gives planets around red dwarfs plenty of time to develop. Over such long periods, these planets could potentially evolve complex life forms, and that's a crucial factor in the search for life. Scientists are particularly interested in these stars because their planets have extended periods to become habitable. The cool temperature of TRAPPIST-1 is significant for another reason. It affects the location of the habitable zone, the sweet spot where conditions might be just right for life. It means that the habitable zone, the region around a star where liquid water could exist on a planet's surface, is much closer in. Planets in this zone are much nearer to their star than Earth is to the Sun. Planets in the habitable zone of a red dwarf star are tidally locked. This unique characteristic means one side of the planet is in perpetual daylight while the other is in eternal night. This means they always show the same face to their star, just like the Moon does to Earth. This creates fascinating environments with stark contrasts between the two hemispheres. TRAPPIST-1 is home to not one, not two, but 7 Earth-sized planets. These planets are all rocky, like Earth, Venus, and Mars. They orbit their star in a cosmic dance, each planet moving in a precise and predictable path. The discovery of so many planets around a single star was unprecedented. It sent ripples of excitement through the scientific community. What makes this system even more fascinating is the arrangement of these planets. They orbit their star in a very compact configuration. If you were standing on the surface of one of the TRAPPIST-1 planets, you could look up and see the other planets in the sky. They would appear as large as the Moon does from Earth. 3 of these planets, TRAPPIST-1e, F, and G, are particularly special. They orbit within the star's habitable zone. This means that conditions on these planets could be just right for liquid water to exist on their surfaces. And where there's liquid water, there could be life. Section 4. The Goldilocks Zone. Not too hot, not too cold. The habitable zone is a region around a star where the temperature is just right, not too hot, not too cold, for liquid water to exist on the surface of a planet. This delicate balance is crucial because liquid water is a key ingredient for life as we know it. Liquid water is essential for life as we know it. It serves as a medium for chemical reactions, enabling the complex processes that are necessary for life to develop and sustain itself. It acts as a solvent, allowing for the complex chemical reactions that are necessary for life to arise and thrive. Without liquid water, the chances of finding life as we understand it diminish significantly. The habitable zone is sometimes called the Goldilocks zone. This term comes from the fairy tale where Goldilocks looks for things that are just right. Just like Goldilocks in the fairy tale, we're looking for planets that are just right for life. These planets need to have the right conditions to support liquid water and, by extension, life. Too close to the star, and the planet would be too hot. Water would evaporate away, leaving the planet dry and barren. Too far from the star, and the planet would be too cold. Water would freeze solid, making it impossible for life to thrive. The 3 TRAPPIST-1 planets in the habitable zone offer a unique opportunity to study the conditions necessary for life to arise. These planets are located at just the right distance from their star, making them prime candidates for further research. They provide a natural laboratory for scientists to test their theories about the origins of life and the potential for life beyond Earth. By studying these planets, we can gain valuable insights into how life might develop elsewhere in the universe. Section 5. Is anybody out there? TRAPPIST-1 offers hope. The discovery of TRAPPIST-1 has re-energized the search for extraterrestrial life. It's a reminder that our galaxy is full of possibilities, and it's highly likely that we are not alone in the universe. The question is no longer if we will find life beyond Earth, but when. The TRAPPIST-1 system is relatively close to Earth. This makes it an ideal target for future observations and study. Scientists are eager to learn more about the atmospheres of these planets. They want to know if they contain gases that could be signs of life, such as oxygen, methane, or water vapor. The TRAPPIST-1 system is a treasure trove of information for scientists studying exoplanets and the potential for life beyond our solar system. It offers a glimpse into a planetary system that is both familiar and alien. Section 6. Telescopes of the Future. Peering into TRAPPIST-1's atmosphere. While current telescopes have allowed us to detect the TRAPPIST-1 planets and determine their basic properties, we need more powerful instruments to probe their atmospheres. The next generation of telescopes, such as the James Webb Space Telescope and the Extremely Large Telescope, will revolutionize our understanding of exoplanetary atmospheres. These telescopes will be able to analyze the light passing through the atmospheres of the TRAPPIST-1 planets. This will allow scientists to identify the chemical composition of their atmospheres and search for biosignatures, which are chemical fingerprints of life. The data collected by these telescopes will be invaluable in our quest to determine if the TRAPPIST-1 planets harbor life. It's a thrilling time to be alive, on the cusp of discoveries that could redefine our place in the cosmos. Section 7. A universe of possibilities. TRAPPIST-1 ignites our imagination. The TRAPPIST-1 system is a powerful reminder of the vastness and wonder of the universe. It's a testament to the power of human ingenuity and our insatiable curiosity to explore the unknown. The discovery of this system has ignited our imaginations and fueled our desire to find out if we are alone in the universe. The search for life beyond Earth is a profound endeavor. It's a quest that transcends national boundaries and unites us in a common goal. The TRAPPIST-1 system offers a beacon of hope in this search, a reminder that the universe is full of surprises. The journey to understand the TRAPPIST-1 system is just beginning, but it's a journey that holds immense promise and the potential to answer one of humanity's oldest and most fundamental questions. Are we alone?